Do you ever feel defeated at dinner time because you are making the same 5 dinners over and over again? Or do you feel like you're on an endless cycle of figuring out what to make for dinner? Hi everybody, my name is Susie Weinrich and welcome to Mom's Dinner. On this channel, I share super simple dinner recipes that are also very delicious that will get you out of your dinner time rut. You're going to watch recipes like shrimp carbonara, homemade pesto, how to layer a lasagna correctly, and things just like a simple Caesar salad. I am also sharing tons of kitchen tips, tricks, and hacks in every single episode. All of this will have you feeling like a success at dinner time in no time. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel for new videos every week, and we will grow our recipe collection together. Can't wait to hang out with you in the next video. See ya.